Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to teach you the pattern of a spring flowers hair tie for beginners. I'm glad you're here. I hope you find this information helpful. So let's see. Please use a thinner yarn and a smaller hook size. Make a slip knot. Grab the yarn, chain 1, make a single crochet, repeat until the end of the row. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in each stitch. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3 chains, insert your hook into the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Chain 1 and make a picket. Make a double crochet in same chain. Chain 3, make a slip stitch in same chain. This is my first petal. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a double crochet. Chain 1, make a picket. Make a double crochet. Chain 3, make a slip stitch. This is my second. Chain 3 and repeat. Make a double crochet. Chain 1, make a picket. Make a double crochet again. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch. This is the third. You can continue up to 5 petals. This is my first spring flower. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches. This is my first and this is my second. Insert your hook into the 3rd stitch and make a slip stitch. My first spring flower is completed. Once more, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3 chains, yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Chain 1 and make a pick it. Make a double crochet in same chain, chain 3, make a slip stitch in same chain, chain 3, make a double crochet, chain 1, make a picket, make a double crochet again, chain 3, make a slip stitch, chain 3, make a double crochet, chain 1, make a picket, yarn over, make a double crochet again, chain 3, make a slip stitch, chain 3, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the 3rd stitch and make a slip stitch. Keep going. At the end of the row, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in 1st chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. And then hide your yarn. Tail end. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye.